reveal my
Okay
face.
lang, there, di ba,
I
there?
dare you to reveal.
I-reveal ko yung face mo.
I dare you to reveal my face, bro.
Kala nyo joke lang yan, ha?
I dare you. I dare you, bro. Do it, and I
May
reveal
money
something
ako.
very embarrassing. This is not
So
blackmail.
you wanna go
This
there,
is a
huh?
deal.
You wanna go there, huh? Are we going to prank war, dude?
You wish, bro. You wish.
Is it a prank war or something?
You wish. You wish. You wish.
Oh, so you're saying you want to reveal your face right now, right?
So you want me to
Oo
reveal
nga,
the chicken
man.
banana?
Face reveal
Your damn
of
face.
my friend.
Yeah, do it. If I unsubscribe, how
No,
many subscribers do you have now?
191 actually.
No, sa Sniper
Yung
King,
channel, eh.
which is bago mo
Actually,
account.
oh,
Ah.
tingnan mo lang. O kasi, tumingin ka sa zombie game nga.
Sabi mo wala ka ng zombie games. Pero sige.
Oh, how to yung videos, but di yung
Oh,
images.
it's so loud. Okay, walang bago.
No.
Videos, shorts, live, playlist, post. Hi guys, it's me. I'll be gone for a while. I just have to talk to my old friend. Guys, it's my birthday. Thank you for 48 subs. I like it. I found Gum Gum Fruit IRL, real or fake. Okay guys, if I get 50 sub, I will say my Roblox account.
Hey, I'm at 132.
Saan? Bro! Hindi ako yun! Hi guys, it's me. I'll be gone for a while. I just have to talk to my old friend. Crying emoji. Imagine it's the one being me.
Yeah, let's do that, bro.
Bro, what's your video? Where?
Reveal. What do you mean?
Bro, where? Just
Video.
tell me, bro, where? I don't see anything.
Oo nga.
My friend. Please.
Ay, sayang.
So, can you look at my post right now? Well, di pa nagpo-post right? Di pa.
Sure, bro, sure. Sure, I don't forget what's your
Amen.
name.
Look now.
Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Guys, what is the
What's good,
account
guys?
for these
Demon,
two
actually.
very old friends?
So what?
Okay, let's say their names. Firstly is Matt.
Bro, na-face reveal ka din. Na-face reveal ka din, bro.
Account is
Justin, alam mo na face reveal ka din? Justin, na-face reveal ka din, alam mo?
Or fake account is
Justin!
Oh,
Mike
alam ko.
only 1149.
Reveal mo ako.
Justin!
Reveal din kita.
Justin! Gusto mo ilit
Alam
ko
ko.
yung chicken banana mo?
Gusto i-leak ko yung ano mo pa, yung ano, loud scream. The world scream.
Sige, ganyanan tayo.
May
Kaya
mic
tayo
naman.
prank war to, ha. Prank war to.
Ganyanan tayo.
So,
Ay,
you're not saying
alam ko na alam si Jacob. Tatanungin ko si Jacob kasi siya yung may pinaka-embarrassing photos sa'yo. Basta lagi.
Where's those videos?
Walang sayo.
Well, that's all. That's all my video. Wait a second.
Embarrassing. Oh,
You forgot
video
something.
of just
Okay, let's make a deal. You remove your face reveal, my face reveal. I'm gonna remove yours. We gotta remove our face reveal, dude. We made a deal. We ain't revealing our face.
Sure, bro. Sure.
Delete it right now, and I'll delete mine.
I deleted it already.
Okay, when I check, hopefully when I check your channel, it's gotta be deleted.
Yeah, bro. I totally deleted it.
Why is it still there?
I totally deleted it,
Why
bro.
is it still there?
I totally
Why is it still
deleted it.
there?
First, show
No,
your
it's
age.
not, bro. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
You're not. So you're saying.
Bro, you're the Lulu. Trivia!
Oh,
Delete. I deleted
so
it,
you're
bro.
saying about.
I deleted it. Delete
King
it right now,
Jong-un,
bro.
the master of rule.
Eto si...
Okay, I
Tapos...
better. Okay, you deleted it.
I
Okay, I'll
deleted
delete
it.
yours.
Delete it.
Yeah.
Aray ko, lalamunin ko, sumabog. Ano ba naman yan?